gonna show you the other one. And there's the other one right here. It flew off. So it is about to storm out here, man. Ooh. My video just cut off. Wow, it's crazy. And literally the wind is so strong that it almost pushed my big self away. I literally almost flew. And that's how strong this wind is. It's crazy. My phone will fly out of my hand. It's just crazy. Wow, look at feel my ears. It feels like I'm taking a shower. Got water in my ears now. Oh, Checkers is still open. That's cool. Because they usually close at this time. Well, the wind has calmed down a lot, but yep, but like, it's gonna come back up though. Then maybe the wind stops here because back that way, that's where the South Street Seaport is, so that's probably why. And my building is right by it too. That's the worst part. If a big storm comes here, I'm screwed. I live right in the worst area. Alright, well, I'm gonna go now. Alright, peace, guys.